Alright guys, if you check here, you see that you can now choose your preferred sex exchange for withdrawal on Hamster Kombat. So this method is similar to other airdrop we've been doing before, but this video purpose is for newbies that doesn't know how to do all these things. So as for other people that you already know how to withdraw, so you can go ahead to choose your own option. For newbies here, if you are using, let's assume most of the newbies are using Bybit. So if you want to use Bybit, you click on that Bybit section. So if you already have an account, you click on yes, I have it. But if you don't have, you click on no, let's create it. So make sure that you have account before going ahead to withdraw. So you click on yes, I have it. So you will see these boxes here. You have to fill them up with your details. They need your Bybit UID, your Hamster deposit address, and the memo, since Hamster is under Tor network. So if you want to get all these things, you have to go to your Bybit account. So the first thing we need is Bybit UID. So you click on this menu. Then you will see under your email address, you will see UID. Just tap on that copy section. So once you tap on copy, then you go back to Hamster. You paste the Bybit UID there. The Hamster deposit address, get back to the Bybit app. Go to assets. Click on deposit. You click on deposit here. Click deposit crypto. You search for Hamster token, which is HMSTR. This is Hamster Kombat. You click on it. The network is done, is correct. So you'll be given two things, which is the wallet address and the memo. So you copy the address, you get back to the app, paste the address here, then you have to copy the memo as well. Copy the memo, then you paste it. Okay, let me copy that memo again. Then you paste the memo there. So make sure you input your UID, your Hamster Kombat address, and your memo. Because if you don't include any of this, you will lose your token. So make sure you choose wisely. So once you are done with that, then you just click on save and choose. So for me, I'm not using Bybit. So but for newbies, because I know that most of the newbies are using Bybit. So that's why I did video about Bybit. So you just click on save and choose. So if you are using, let's assume you are also newbie, but you are using other exchange. If you are in Nigeria, don't use OKS exchange because OKS is no more in Nigeria. So it's either you use Binance or you use Bybit. So if you are using Binance, it's same thing as well. So okay, if you are using Bybit, the only thing you have to include is just your Hamster deposit address and your deposit memo. So that's it about the withdrawal.